The second expansion of the Union Council of Ministers took place today. 20 ministers took the oath of office in secrecy, 19 of whom were inducted as ministers of state. And Prakash Javadekar was upgraded in fact from Minister of State with independent charge to cabinet rank. They bring with them legislative or administrative experience and professional expertise across various walks of life.
Union Council of Ministers expanded. 19 new ministers of state inducted. Prakash Javadekar elevated to cabinet rank. 15 new ministers have passed legislative experience. 10 new ministers served in central and state governments. 9 new ministers are postgraduates. 7 new ministers are graduates. Ending weeks of speculation, the Union Council of Ministers was expanded at 11 a.m. on Monday, in the second such expansion since the NDA government was formed in May 2014. 19 new faces were inducted into the Council of Ministers and 1 minister was upgraded to the cabinet rank. They were administered the oath of office and secrecy by the President at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President Amit Shah, Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Finance Minister Arun Jaitley were among the senior ministers and leaders of the party who were present at the swearing-in ceremony. Prakash Javadekar was the first minister to take oath. He has been elevated from Minister of State Independent Charge to cabinet rank. He is a member of the Rajya Sabha from Madhya Pradesh and was MOS Independent Charge Environment, Forests and Climate Change since November 2014. He also has legislative experience in the Rajya Sabha and in Maharashtra. The first Minister of State to take oath was Fagan Singh Kulaste, a Lok Sabha MP from Mandla in Madhya Pradesh. He was a Union MOS during the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government and has legislative experience in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. He was followed by SS Aluwalia, a Lok Sabha MP from Darjeeling in West Bengal. He has served as an MOS in the centre in the past and has legislative experience in the Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha MP from Bijapur in Karnataka, Ramesh Chandappa Jigajinagi, also took oath as a Union MOS. He served as a cabinet minister in Karnataka and has legislative experience in Lok Sabha and in Karnataka. A veteran in Delhi politics, Vijay Goel, also took oath as a Union MOS. He is currently a Rajya Sabha MP from Rajasthan, was a minister in the Vajpayee government and had legislative experience in the Lok Sabha. Republican Party of India leader Ramdas Athavale made his debut in the Union Council of Ministers as a Minister of State. He is a Rajya Sabha MP from Maharashtra since 2014 and has twice been a Lok Sabha MP.
वो मंत्रालय जो है उसका स्टडी करो, लोगों के लिए काम करते रहो, अपने वादे पूरे करने के लिए काम करो, ऐसा उन्होंने बताया है। तो उसके मुताबिक जरूर जो सबका साथ सबका विकास जो उनका नारा है उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश हम करेंगे।
Lok Sabha MP from Nagaon in Assam, Rajan Gohan too made his debut in the Union Council of Ministers. He's a fourth-time member of Lok Sabha since 1999. Rajya Sabha MP from Madhya Pradesh, Anil Madhav Dhave, too has found a place in the Union Council of Ministers as MOS. He was twice elected to the Rajya Sabha in 2009 and 2010. Elected to the Rajya Sabha from Gujarat in June, Purushottam Rupala too has been inducted as Union MOS. He has served as a cabinet minister in Gujarat and has therefore had legislative experience in Gujarat besides being a Rajya Sabha MP earlier too. He has a reputation for being a keen Narmada River conservationist. Author and acclaimed journalist turned politician M.J. Akbar, a recently elected Rajya Sabha MP from Madhya Pradesh, also made the cut. He has served as a Lok Sabha MP earlier. Lok Sabha MP from Bikaner in Rajasthan, Arjun Ram Meghwal, made his debut in the Union Council of Ministers. He was elected to the 15th Lok Sabha as well and is a retired IAS officer.
गुजरात के लिए एक अच्छी बात है कि एक बार हमको ज़्यादा मिली है और इससे हमको पार्टी को बल देने में और ज़्यादा ताकत मिलेगी। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री की या सरकार के मुखिया जो भी प्राथमिकता होंगी उनको हम बल देंगे, ये हमारी प्राथमिकता होंगी।
हमारा मिशन एक ही है कि हमने इलाहाबाद की राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी में तय किया था कि 21वीं सदी एशिया की होगी और एशिया में भी भारत की होगी, अर्थात भारत विकसित राष्ट्रों की श्रेणी में खड़ा हो। इसके लिए जो भी कदम उठाने पड़े संविधान की सीमाओं में रहते हुए वो उठाने का पूरा प्रयास करेंगे और जो भी दायित्व प्रधानमंत्री जी देंगे उसको निर्वहन करने का भी पूरा प्रयास करेंगे।
लोकसभा MP from Dahod in Gujarat, Jaswant Singh Suman Bhai Bhabor, has also been inducted into the Union Council of Ministers. He served as an MOS in Gujarat earlier and thus also has legislative experience in Gujarat. Lok Sabha MP from Chandauli in Uttar Pradesh, Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, has debuted in the Union Council of Ministers as MOS. He served as an MOS in Uttar Pradesh earlier and thus has legislative experience in UP. Lok Sabha MP from Almora, Uttarakhand, Ajay Thamta, also made the cut as Union MOS. He served as a cabinet minister in Uttarakhand earlier and thus has legislative experience in Uttarakhand. Lok Sabha MP from Shahjahanpur in UP, Krishna Raj too, has become a Union MOS. She was twice a member of Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly. Rajya Sabha MP from Gujarat since 2012, Mansukh L. Mandavia, too has been drafted into the Union Council of Ministers. He was a member of the Gujarat Legislative Assembly earlier. Apna Dal's Anupriya Singh Patel has debuted in the Union Council of Ministers as an MOS. She is the Lok Sabha MP from Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh and was a member of the UP Legislative Assembly earlier. She's also a Masters in Business Administration.
पूरी तरह से तैयार हूँ। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मुझ पर भरोसा जताया है। मैं उन्हें विश्वास दिलाना चाहती हूँ, उनके भरोसे पर खरी उतरूंगी और उनका जो भी दिशा निर्देश होगा, जो भी मार्गदर्शन होगा, उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए अपने दायित्वों का निर्वहन करूंगी।
Lok Sabha MP from Nagaur in Rajasthan, C.R. Chaudhary too has been inducted as a Union MOS. He is a former Rajasthan Administrative Services officer. LSMP from Pali, Rajasthan, P.P. Chaudhary too got a Union MOS berth. He's a senior Supreme Court advocate and brings with him legal expertise. Lok Sabha MP from Dhul, Maharashtra, Dr. Subhash Ramrao Bhamre, has also made a cut as a Union MOS. He's a well-known doctor and a cancer specialist. Among the 19 inducted as Ministers of State, barring Vijay Goel and Fagan Singh Kulaste, none of them have been Union Ministers earlier. However, several of them have been ministers in BJP-ruled states, and many also bring professional expertise with them. With inputs from Shailendra Mishra, Rajesh Raj, Arun Sharma and Bikramjit Singh. Newsnight Desk, DD News.